Hi everyone! So today I wanted to give you a little bit more information about how Cooking Skinny works. The vast majority of the recipes on this website are under 500 calories. That's right! This channel, all the recipes under 500 calories. And the vast majority of recipes are always going to be under 400 calories per portion. Bigger portions, smaller calories, and not starving while we're dieting. That's the whole point of everything that I'm trying to do here on this channel. Now, I wanted to show you something that's in a lot of the videos. It's not in all the videos, but in a lot of the videos, I have this white plate. This is not a small white plate. So I wanted to show this to you because this is how I do the portions. This plate right here is how I do the portions. Look, it's bigger than my head. Bigger! And the reason for that is because we need to diet without starving. That's the whole point of Cooking Skinny. Mardi Gras is Fat Tuesday, and that happens one day a year. One day a year is Mardi Gras. So I decided that every other Tuesday of the year is automatically non-Fat Tuesday as a result. So I'll be bringing you a new skinny video every non-Fat Tuesday. This channel is all about the plant-based foods, and I do want to put out there that everybody has a different body, so every body is different. If you have chronic health problems, you really should check with a qualified medical professional before starting any new diet plan to make sure that what you're trying is actually safe for you to try. Even though the premise of Cooking Skinny is to give a wide nutrition base with very healthy recipes, if you have problems digesting natural fiber, you're going to have problems with this food, because anything that is plant-based in origin is going to be very, very high in natural fibers. So if your body can't break that down, this might not be a good starting place for you. So check with your doctor before making any major dietary changes, just to make sure that those changes are right for you, the individual person with their individual body. I hope you really enjoy this, and just know that everything that I do on this channel comes from my heart to yours.